Good morning guys, welcome to Ebn C channel. So I'm working on 2012 Toyota Camry. I just get it from Copart yesterday. So today I'm going to work on the wheel, take it off. So I'm going to check it off and take the wheel, and then what's broken, I just ordered the lower control arm and the axle. So let us check it out. So I need to order the wheel. So I didn't decide what I'm going to do the wheel, if I'm going to put aluminum wheel or the steel one. So which one's better? Here's the mileage, how much it is. So yeah, it is clean car. If you saw part 1, so I think the girl smokes body, and then all the stuff she puts inside the car, not her house. So I just clean it a little bit. On part 1 you'll see it's full of junk. Now it's kind of clean. So there's a scratch over here. I need a little bit paint over here. So we'll decide that. There's more scratch. There's more scratch. So let me take the tire off and I'm going to see. Alright, enjoy the video. I believe the suspension is fine. Not sure. We will see later on. So take it off, and then I think we need to be this one, need to be like this. So I'm going to fix that. The wires fine. Okay guys, so the bumper is off. The headlight on driver's side, they're broken over here, in here, and this one. So I'm going to glue that part. So I'm going to sand this one and make it clear. So far so good. So yeah, over here I'm going to take the door off after finish. Over here, after I take it off, the door needs to come out, and then fix it down here. Down here's damage, all damage. So yeah, we need to do that. We need to, I think I need to cut it off. I don't know, so we'll see about that. Just pushed in, so I need to bring it out. So let me leave it like this, and then when I get the parts, I'll have inside the car. There's damage down here too, a little bit. Can fix that, it's not that much bad. We can leave this, no matter. One of the important things, this one's not damaged. So when I get the part, go and finish it. So this one will be part 2. When the parts here be part 2, same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There it is. I decided
box it. Yesterday I was waiting for the axle, but I want to take it off from the trailer. So let me put lower control arm. There it is. And then this one too. This one is this one. Here, this one it is. So let me put the control arm only, I guess, doing that. So it is. So you need to take the support, engine support. So you need to hold it by a jack, and then you need to take this support. The support 70 millimeter. I think it is 70 millimeter. Yep, 70 millimeter. And then there is down here too, 70 millimeter. 1, 2. Okay, and then here, one more down here. So this covers. There's a cover for here, plastic covers. I did take it off. If you don't know, here this one is 2 of them. For this one, this hole and this hole, you need to take it to both of them. Otherwise, you will not see them. You take the support for 1 bolt for the lower control arm. There is down here bolt. You need to take the engine support to do that. Only for 1 bolt. This one it is down here. If you can see it down here, there's a bolt. So to take that one, you need to take this one off. One of it, you can see it from over here. This one it is. But that one, you need to take the support. So 70 millimeter. And then this one, the top one is for the control arm is 22 both sides. And then this one, it is 90 millimeter. So different bolts, different things. So now I'm taking the engine support. So I hope you enjoy it.
So guys, for this one over here,
there's over there 40 millimeters. There are 3 over here on the other side.
so I'm going to take that one too, otherwise it doesn't come out. I have to take those 2.
One of the bolts not off. It is off. I don't know what's holding me. Maybe this the axle's holding me. Maybe, yep, the axle's holding me. So I need to take the axle nets off to take this support off.
So I'm gonna bring a tool and let me take it off.
Okay, control arms kind of outside.
I just adjusted the steel. So no, it's awful. There's too much grease on it. And then there is over here. I need to take this one first of all for the ball joint.
size yet. So first the quarter pin, bring it out. It's getting darker. Spotting. Okay guys, so I just take the control arm, the bushing, I mean the ball joints out. Now I'm just putting this old one to new one, adding in a like spacer. So on this side I'm going to put this one over here. So yeah, so I'm going to do it tomorrow. Now it's so dark and then I don't want to annoy my neighbor, so see you tomorrow. Good morning guys, so today we're going to put the lower control arm. So I'm almost in. Yesterday it's dark so I can't do it and I don't want to make annoy my neighbors, so I'm going to do it today. So I might take this one, the steering, I need to take it off I think, otherwise it doesn't fit. Just if I take this one off I can push it this way, so I will try my best to do that. So if I take it will be easier, so I will try that now before I take this one. I'm going to try it. If not working I'm going to take this one. I believe what size it is, I don't know, 17 I guess, not sure. So okay, I put the support. Now I can bring the jack down and then lift this one up. There. That's that. Alright. Just bring one. Alrighty, let's put the tires in. Okay guys, I'm ready to take it off. The truck was dead, the battery was dead. I just started by Subaru. I need to wait a little bit to make it charge and start it. So I'm ready to take it off. So I'm going to move it a little bit down there and take it off from here. So enjoy the video.
So guys, the axle spinning, so because of that I think the transmission's not working, because it's not stopping, just spinning. If you put it on neutral or on parks, just spinning. I think on park spinning, I'm not sure about that, but just spinning on the neutral. So that's why I think, because of spinning, if you put it in on parking, because of spinning, I think it's not getting in. So it has weights for the axle and put it to make sure it's working or not. For sure it's not, I can't say for sure it's not broken, so get it from on the tire. So I hope you enjoy it. So Friday will be here at the axle, so stay tuned for that. So you'll be inside here. So the body work will be part 3. So yeah.